In just 60 seconds, you'll discover the mind-blowing connection between scissors and global weather patterns. Imagine a world where the simplest household object, like scissors, holds the key to understanding the complexities of global weather patterns. But before we dive into this fascinating connection, let's set the stage. Weather patterns have been a topic of interest for centuries, with scientists studying the intricacies of atmospheric circulation and temperature fluctuations. From hurricanes to heat waves, weather events can have devastating consequences on our planet and its inhabitants. However, have you ever wondered what triggers these extreme weather events? It's a question that has puzzled scientists for years, and the answer lies in the most unexpected place: the humble scissor. When you cut a piece of paper with scissors, you might think it's just a simple action, but the process of cutting creates a unique energy pattern. This energy pattern is what we call the kinetic energy of the cut, and it's surprisingly similar to the kinetic energy released during a severe thunderstorm. But that's not the strangest part. The real magic happens when we apply the principles of physics to this phenomenon. By analyzing the movement of air molecules during a cut, scientists have discovered that the energy released is equivalent to the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs exploding simultaneously. This might sound like science fiction, but it's a phenomenon that occurs when the air molecules are rapidly displaced, creating a whirlpool effect. It's like the scissors are creating a miniature tornado, with the air molecules spinning out of control. And then something unexpected happened. Scientists realized that this phenomenon is not unique to scissors alone. It's a principle that can be applied to any object that creates a sudden release of energy, from a falling meteorite to a jet engine taking off. This has significant implications for our understanding of global weather patterns, as it suggests that even the smallest actions can have a profound impact on the environment. In fact, research has shown that the energy released during a severe thunderstorm is equivalent to the energy released during 1 billion paper cuts. It's a staggering number, and one that highlights the incredible power of even the simplest objects. But what does this mean for us, and why should we care? The answer lies in the real-world consequences of these extreme weather events. From devastating hurricanes to crippling droughts, the impact of these events can be catastrophic. And yet, by understanding the connection between scissors and global weather patterns, we may be able to develop new technologies that can mitigate the effects of these events. It's a prospect that's both exciting and terrifying. We're reminded of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the importance of respecting its rhythms. Science to shape our world. As we explore the intricacies of global weather patterns, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the importance of respecting its rhythms. It's a message that's both timely and timeless, and one that we can learn from even the simplest of objects like scissors. So, if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery. Let's explore more amazing discoveries together. And who knows, maybe we'll uncover the next big breakthrough in science. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let's continue to uncover the secrets of our incredible world.